Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the change command. It stands for change age, and it allows Linux admins to manipulate aging settings for user accounts. For example, when passwords must be changed or accounts will expire. To view your own settings, just add -L and your username. And you can see I last changed my password in February and it never expires. To view the settings for a user account, you need to use sudo. So let me change -L and we'll look at Nemo settings. And he changed his password last in May and it expires in August. We can also see down here that Nemo must change his password at least every 90 days, and that once he changes his password, he has to keep that password for 7 days. So he can't change it again for 7 days. The commands that do those two settings are these. Here, the -M means the maximum number of days that a password can be kept, and the small m means the minimum number of days that a password must be kept. And use those commands with whatever username and you get those settings. To set an expiration date for an account, you would use a command like this, change -E for expiration, and we put in the date like this, November 11th, and then the username, and then just verify that those settings took hold. And you can see we have November 11th, 2020. Well, that's your Linux tip for the change command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.